Good morning everyone. How are you? Hope you are very fine and doing studies and preparing for your half yearly exams. Okay, so in my previous lecture we already revised the chapter number 1, my body, and each and everything about the body I explained to you, about the internal organs, about the external organs. I explained to you each and everything, and some habits, some healthy habits, how we can keep our body healthy and fit. Some good habits I already explained you in my previous lecture. Okay, right? So let's start doing the exercise. We will start with the page number 8, and first we will do the tick the correct option. Okay, see dear students, we already done this chapter and I already explained to you each and everything, so I will not take you much of your time, right? So whatever exercise I am going to write on the blackboard, on the smart board, you no need to write on the CW notebook of EVS. आपको कॉपी में लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. No need to write on your EVS notebook, right? So let's start. Are you ready? Yes, you all are ready. So let's start. Chapter number 1. Chapter number 1. What is the name of the chapter? Human body. Okay, yeah, my pen is not working nicely, so I am taking next pen. Yes, this is working nicely. Okay, let's start. Tick the correct option. A wala, tick the correct option. Our body is made up of many parts. What is number 1? A body is made up of many parts. Called what? Called what? Let's see your options. Option number A, bones. Option number B, muscles. Option number C, organs. So our body is made up of bones, muscles or organs? Yes, organs. So option number C is the right option. Tick the correct in front of the option number C. Let's see what is number 2. It controls all the organs of our body. Who is the controller of our body? Who is the remote of our body? Which organ? A, stomach. B, brain. And C, taste. What is the right answer? Brain. Brain controls the entire activity. Whatever activity we all are doing, it's controlled by the brain only. So option B is the right answer. Put the right in front of the B. Okay, let's see what is number 3. It is located inside our chest. What is located inside our chest? Let's see the options. Option number A, heart. B, brain. And C, stomach. What is inside the chest? Heart. Heart is located inside our chest. So option A is the right answer. Now number 4. This organ helps in digestion of food. Whatever we are eating, it goes into our stomach. Through the food pipe, it goes into our stomach, and the organ stomach helps in digestion. Okay, so your option A is brain, B is stomach, and C is heart. What is the right answer? B, stomach. Whatever we are eating is goes into stomach, and stomach help in digestion. Number 5th, we should drink dash glasses of water every day. Options are A5, B3 and C8. Yes, we should drink at least 8 glasses of water in a day or more than 8. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैम ने 8 बोला है तो you will drink only 8 glasses. No, you can drink more than 8 glasses, right? So this is the exercise number 1. Take the correct option. Number B wala I am not going to do on the smart board. Match the sense organ with their helps. This you can match easily. See the picture: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Tasting, feeling, smelling, hearing and seeing. So eyes help us to see, ear help us to hear the different sounds, nose help us for smelling, and tongue help us for tasting, and skin help us feeling. So here we are completing this wala portion. Now number C, complete the sentences. First one, the dash is inside our head. What is inside our head? Brain. What is the spelling of brain? B-R-A-I-N, brain. So number 1 mein you will write the brain. Number 2, the dash help us to breathe. What help us to breathe? Yes, lungs. Lungs is the right answer. So write lungs. L-U-N-G-S, lungs. Okay, now turn the page and let's see what is number 3. The heart pumps dash to all the parts of body. So what is the main work of our heart? Pump the blood. Heart क्या करता है बेटा? Blood को pump करता है. So what you will write over here? B-L-O-O-D, blood. The food we eat goes into dash. Whatever we are eating, it goes into our stomach through the food pipe. So spelling of stomach you should write over here S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Right? And question and the answers I will tell you orally because we already done in the starting, in the month of June we already done all these exercises. That's why I am doing fast, right? But you no need to write in your copy. Again and again I am repeating the same thing. Do not write in your EVS notebook because this is your revision. We already done na? Okay, now answer these questions. Number E wala, this wala, answer these questions. What does the brain do? What does the brain do? What is the main work? What is the main function of your brain? The brain controls the organs of our body. Whatever we are doing, whatever activity we are performing, it controls by the brain. Brain is the remote of our body. Right? Question number 2. What is the function of stomach? Stomach का क्या काम होता है? Stomach helps to digest the food. Whatever we are eating, it goes into food pipe. Through the food pipe it goes into our stomach, and stomach digests the food. That's why we teachers as well as your parents as well as the doctors are saying to you that do not eat junk food. Junk food is the healthy food, unhealthy food, है ना? If you will eat lots of junk food, then your junk food will not digest properly by your stomach, so you will face the problem. Your stomach is aching, your motion will not clear, right? So stomach help us to digest the food. Question number 3, how do the lung help us? lungs हमारी कैसे मदद करता है? The lung help us to breathe. The lung help us to breathe, right? Let's see number 4. Mention 2 ways by which we can keep our body fit. So what is the 2 ways? वो कौन से 2 तरीके हैं, वो कौन से 2 रास्ते हैं जिन पे चलकर हम एक हेल्दी और फिट बॉडी पा सकते हैं? So here you have to write that 2 ways. First one is always eat healthy food. Do not eat junk food. Avoid eating junk food. Right? This is way number 1. Way number 2, drink at least 8 glasses of water or more than 8 glasses of water in a day. And do the regular exercise in fresh air. So these are the ways which we can keep our body healthy and fit. Right? Okay, so here we are finishing the chapter number 1 and the revision of the chapter number 1, which you already have seen in my last lecture. So today I am going to start the reading of chapter number 2, reading as well as explaining. Right? Okay. So chapter number 2, food. Chapter number 2, and name of the chapter, food. Okay. So whatever is written in your book, first I will read for you, then I will explain to you. When you will hear this word food, what starts coming in your mind? What questions starts coming in your mind? What clicks over here in your head? Yes, food is related with energy. If with energy, and when we will heard this word food, so हमारे सामने क्या आ जाता है? ढेर सारा type of foods, whether it is vegetable, fruits, curds and all these things, right? So whatever is written in your book, first I will read, then I will explain to you. We eat food when we feel hungry. Yes, food is directly connected with your stomach. When we feel hungry, then we eat food. Okay, food gives us energy to work and play. Whatever work we all are doing, we all are performing in our day-to-day life, and for doing that work, we should need what? We should need energy. We should need energy. Your mama needs energy to work, है ना? If your mama is not energetic, how she is able to do the household work? How she is able to do the household work? Sometimes mama is saying like that ना, अरे यार today I am not feeling very energetic, ताकत ही नहीं लग रही है शरीर में, ठीक है? So it's happen in our lives. Okay, so food give us energy to work and play. Work for us, for elders, and play for you kids, right? It help our body in growing well. And when we will eat healthy food, we eat different kinds of food, then it helps to grow the body. Sometimes some students has the good height and the personality. It means what? It means they are having the proper diet. They are eating all kinds of foods, है ना? And some students, they are not very much healthy. They don't have the good height. They don't have the good height and the strong personalities. Means they are choosy about the food. वो खाना को पसंद के हिसाब से खाते हैं, right? हेल्थ के हिसाब से नहीं. Okay, so here some names are given of the food in the column. Let's see what are these. Bread, milk, fish, vegetable, fruits, butter. This is the kind of the foods, right? And now I am going to read over here. We eat different kinds of food. Yes, we are not eating the same kinds of the foods in our day-to-day life. We always eat different foods. Suppose if your mama will make daily khichdi, then what you will say to your mama? Mama, you are getting me bore. आप मुझको bore कर रहे हो. I will not eat khichdi in my daily routine. Make some else. Make some different. Prepare something different for eating. Right? So here there are three kinds of category of food. First one is energy giving food. Energy giving food means when we want energy, our body wants energy, then we should go for these kinds of food. These gives us the energy to work and play. So what are those? Those are sugar, potato, bread and butter. There are four kinds of food category which gives us energy to work and play, and name of those four are potato, sugar, bread and butter. Right? Okay. Now see the second wala. See the second wala. How many things you can see in this picture? There is fish, there is some grains, there is eggs, there is milk. So what are these? These are body building food. When we want a good body, when we want a good physics, then we should eat all these things. There is milk, there is eggs, there is fish, there is grains. These all are the body building food. A body building food means we are getting strong muscles by using all these food. Right? Okay. Now number 3, protective food. Protective food means what? When you will hear this word protective, what starts coming is in your mind? Protective means what? Protection from what? Protection from mama? No, na. Protection from papa? No, na. So protection from diseases, बीमारियों से लड़ने की protection, सुरक्षा. So all kinds of vegetables, all kinds of fruits are come in this category only. These all are the protective food, right? So food have 3 categories. First one is energy giving food. In this category, potato, sugar, bread and butter, right? Second category, body building food. In this category, fish, eggs, milk and grains. And number 3rd category, protective food. हमारे आसपास सुरक्षा का घेरा बना देते हैं. That is protective food. Protect from diseases. बीमारियों से लड़ने की ताकत देते हैं. So all kinds of vegetables, all kinds of fruits comes in this category only. Right? Understood? Hope you understood well, because twice we are going to learn on this. Okay, I am going to turn the page. I am turning the page and I am going to explain about all these things. A balanced diet. Okay, we should eat a little bit of each type of food at different times of the day. Yes, it is very much correct written over here. We have to eat the different kinds of food at different time. सुबह सुबह मॉर्निंग में हम खिचड़ी नहीं खाते हैं. We are eating healthy breakfast because this is the time of breakfast, right? So what are it makes a balanced diet. It makes what? It makes balanced diet. A balanced diet keeps us healthy. Okay, so how many things are included in the balanced diet? Milk, butter, fish, eggs, jam, bread, salad, fruits and vegetable. This is the balanced diet chart. This is the balanced diet chart. Balanced diet means, balance means what? Balance means बराबर, ना कुछ कम ना कुछ ज़्यादा. ठीक है, बैलेंस बनाकर चलना है. बैलेंस बनाकर खाना भी खाना होता है. राइट? सो Balanced diet means we should involve all kinds of protein, minerals, nutrients, fats, fiber. They get the balanced diet. तब जाके एक balanced diet बनती है, right? And water and salad also important part of our diet. Yes, it is very much correct written over here. Water plays a very important role. If you will drink plenty of water, your stomach will not ache, पेट नहीं दुखेगा. And you will not drink plenty of water, definitely your stomach will ache. And salad also the rich in the fibers. Salad is the rich source of the fibers. That's why water and salad the important part of our diet. Okay. Now next line, water help in digestion of food. Our body needs about 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Yes, it is very much correct written over here. Let's see once again what is that. Water help in our digestion of food. Our body is need about 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. How much glasses of water we should every day? At least 8 or more than 8 glasses, right? Salad keeps our bowel movement proper, and we go to toilet. We can make a good salad by mixture pieces of fruits and vegetables. Yes, salad is also a rich source of fiber, so we should always eat the salad. Involve this in your balanced diet, right? Okay, so facts file. I am going to written whatever is written in your book, right? Some people eat vegetable, fruits and food like milk, butter, cheese, but do not eat fish, meat or eggs. So they are called what? They are called vegetarians pupil. Those who are having only fruits, milk, butter and cheese and vegetables, we call them vegetarian, right? Some people like to eat meat, fish, eggs along with fruit and vegetables. Fruits और vegetable तो खाते ही हैं, but along with they are having the fish and eggs also and meat also. So we call them non-vegetarian. And some people eat food comes from plants only. So what we are calling them? Vegans, right? So I am turning the page and I am going to explain you whatever written on page number 13. First I will read, then I will explain to you. Okay, so here on the first paragraph, meal time is written over here. So we will discuss about meal timing, right? We usually eat 3 kinds of meals in a day. Yes, not only 3 kinds, sometimes though we have 4 times also, है ना? So first one is breakfast. The first meal of the day is what? The first meal of the day is the breakfast, and we have it in the morning. What is the time of the breakfast? Morning time, and we should have a always good breakfast, right? Second, lunch is the second meal of the day. We have it in the afternoon. Yes, lunch is the second meal of the day and the timing is noon, दोपहर में, and we should take a light lunch, little light. Dinner is the last meal of the day. We have it at night and we always take the light dinner. Do not take the heavy dinner. Okay. Now the second wala paragraph, where does food comes from? Where does food comes from? खाना कहाँ से आता है? So there are 2 kinds of sources from where we are getting the food. First one is plant, second one is animals. Once again I will repeat this because this is very important. We have 2 kinds of sources to get the food. First one is plant, second one is animals. We get fruits, vegetable, grains, nuts and oil from the plant only. We get fruits, vegetable, grains, nuts and oil from the plants, and we get milk, eggs, meat, honey and fish from animals, है ना? So there are two sources of food, right? Okay, now smart eating habits. Smart eating habits for smart students of class 2. Okay, so what are those good habits? What are those smart habits? I will read and explain. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Yes, but nowadays so we are washing our hands again and again. After the proper intervals, we are washing our hands to protect our body from coronavirus, right? Okay, number 2, do not spoil food. Yes, take much of food that you want to eat. उतना ही लेना है जितना खा सकते हैं. Don't spoil the food. Okay, eat slowly and chew the food well. Yes, always eat slowly and whatever you are eating, chew it well. अच्छे से चबा चबा कर खाना चाहिए. Yes, okay. Eat meal at the right time. Whatever time your mama fixed for you for your breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, try to take your food, try to eat your food at that particular time only. Okay? Yes, do not waste food, take much as you can finish. Yes, I already explained. You drink plenty of water throughout the day. Yes, always drink 8 glasses or more than 8 glasses. But your drinking water should be clean. Your drinking water should be clean. Brush your teeth twice a day. Yes, always brush your teeth at least twice in a day. Right, so I am going to turn the page number 14. How food reaches us. खाना हम तक कैसे पहुंचता है. Okay, did you know how food reaches us from the field? It is very much correct written over here. Have you ever think about this? This question is click is in your mind that how food reaches to us. खाना हमारे तक कैसे आता है? हाँ? So what are these steps to getting the food? It is given in your book only, right? So we will follow all these steps. Number 1, farmer grows crops in the field. Yes, this is the work of a farmer, that grow the crops in their fields. When the crops are ripe and are cut, when farmer will get the good crops, they cut the crops, है ना? Then what is the next? Grains are kept into sacks. और उसके बाद क्या करते हैं? वो सारा अनाज फार्मर्स जो हैं वो बोरों में भरकर रखते हैं. ओके, नंबर 3, sacks are taken to the market and shopkeepers buy them and take to the shops. हाँ, जितना भी जो भी अनाज है उन्होंने बोरे में भर के रखा है वो उसको मार्केट लेकर जाते हैं सेल करने के लिए और शॉपकीपर उनसे ले लेता है. देन what is the next process? Number 4, mama will go to the shopkeeper and buy the food. And what is the last process? Number 5, yes, mama is preparing what? Mama is preparing food for you, for your family. This is the last process. जब जाके बेटा ये हमारी थाली में खाना आता है. This is the entire process to get the food in our plate. This is very long and hard working process. It is not very much easy. जितना easy बुक में दिख रहा है ना कि फार्मर ने क्रॉप्स लगाई फिर बोरों में भरा बाजार लेकर बेचने गए वहाँ से मम्मी ने खरीदा फिर खाना बनाया. No, it is not very much easy. That is very hard working and long process, right? So here we are finishing the chapter number 2, right? So this wala portion, let's recall. I am going to read once again. We need food to grow, work and play. We should eat a balanced diet. We usually eat 3 meals in a day, or we can take more than 3. We can take 4 meals in a day. We get food from plants and animals, and we should not waste food. Right? Okay. So these two exercises I am going to finish orally. There is nothing much to explain you. Okay, so orally I am explaining to you because we already done this exercise. Take the correct answer. Fruit and vegetables are food which are option number A, energy giving, option number B, protective, and C, bodybuilding. So fruit, vegetable and fruits, which they are come in which category? They are the protective food. They can protect ourselves from diseases. Right? So option number B is the right answer. Put the tick mark in front of B. Which one is the first meal of the day? What is the first meal of the day? Breakfast, lunch or dinner? Yes, breakfast is the first meal of the day, and it should be very heavy and healthy also. है ना? Number 3, which one is non-vegetarian food? Bread, rice, fish. What is non-vegetarian? क्या होता है non-vegetarian? Fish. Yes, option C is the right answer. And number B, match the food item with their sources. Here some foods item are there, and here the sources, and you have to match. Yes, honey, we get honey from honey bee, meat from goat, milk from cow, bread from wheat, and egg from hen. Right? Now complete the words. Complete the words. This is the fill in the blanks kind of the exercise. Number 1, we need food when we feel what? Yes, we need food when we feel hungry. Number 2, food gives us what? To work and play. Food gives us dash to work and play. What gives us food? Food gives us energy. Number C, a balanced diet keeps us what? Unhealthy? No, healthy. Yes, balanced diet keeps us healthy. Number 4, water help in the digestion of what? Water help digestion of food. Number 5, we should take a little dash. क्या little? Dinner. Dinner always take light. है ना? If we will take the heavy dinner, then whole night we can't sleep properly. We feel uneasy. बहुत ज़्यादा भारी खाना खा लेंगे. This is not good for us. ठीक है? Question and the answer. Number 1, why do we need food? Why do we need food? We need food to grow, work and play. We need food to grow, work and play. Number 2, how many times do you take meal? Usually we all are having 3 kinds of meals in a day. First one is breakfast, lunch and dinner. But nowadays, apart from these, one more we involve in our daily routine, that is brunch. शाम को चाय के साथ भी हम कभी कभी कुछ हल्का सा खा लेते हैं ना. Sometimes biscuits, breads, है ना, सेव परमल. These kinds of some brunch we are having with the tea, with the evening tea ना. So this is also the part of our meal. What is a balanced diet? What is the balanced diet? A balanced diet that has the each type of food at different time, that is called balanced diet. A diet that has each type of food at different time of the day, that is the balanced diet. ठीक है ना. सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट में सपोज we have sprouts. Sprouts is also a healthy breakfast. Then during lunch time, dal, chapati, rice, salad, curd. This is the lunch plate, है ना. Then dinner should be light. So when we are involving each kinds of nutrients, proteins, fibers, fats, vitamins in our day-to-day life, it means we all are taking the balanced diet. Name 3 food that comes from plants. Name 3 foods that comes from plants. First one, fruits, vegetable and grains. All types of fruits we are getting from plants. All type of vegetables we are getting from plants. and grains and anaj we all are getting from plants. Name 3 food that comes from animals. Egg, honey and meat. We get egg from hen, we get honey from honeybee, we get meat from goat. Okay, so here we are finishing the chapter number 2, revision of chapter number 2. I took each and everything, I explained each and everything. Hope you enjoyed learning once again. Okay, but do not forget one thing, that read the entire chapter carefully and then prepare accordingly your half yearly exam. Okay, so till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you, love you all, bye. When we will meet in our next lecture, then we will discuss on chapter number 3, clothes. On that time we will discuss on chapter number 3, clothes. Right? Okay, so hope you all are enjoying the lectures. Keep watching and keep reading, keep writing. Bye bye.